In this video, I'll show you how to set up payments and take your app live using Base44. Let's get started. I'll begin by describing the app I want to build, which is a secure payment checkout handler linked to Stripe to manage customer subscriptions. Once I send that prompt, Base44 starts planning the next steps and building out the idea. Because Stripe integration requires back-end functions, I'll need to upgrade my plan to the builder or subscription level to unlock full payment processing. Once that's done, Base44 generates a professional Choose Your Plan interface with monthly and annual toggles. I'll take a quick look to ensure the layout looks good across different tiers like Starter, Pro, and Enterprise. Now I'm ready to publish, so I'll click the Publish button in the top right, set the visibility to public, and go live. My app is now published at a custom URL, which I can copy and open in a new tab. On the live site, the pricing table is fully interactive. When I click Get Started on a plan, a sleek checkout modal appears where users can enter their email and card details. This process allows you to deploy a high-quality subscription-ready landing page in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.